see some action on this trip. Thanks away, Sierra 2. This is strictly hit and run. You copy? Yeah, I copy.
Maximum speed.
Over there!
Take him down. Maximum armor.
Sierra Team Command, be advised, Raptor will be your ACM on this mission.
Raptor? I don't suppose I have a choice in this, do I?
Fucking hell, I knew it. Sean O'Neill.
Sierra Lead, deploy 7, over.
Roger that.
Maximum strength.
Drop on lead, over.
Roger, Command.
The KPA will soon be isolated. Now we need to neutralize their base of operations at the beach resort. Head there and be ready.
Bombs away. Affirmative. Hot damn!
Sierra Lead, new orders from JSOC. Reallocating Sierra 2 for ground support role.
Roger, Command. Negative, Command. Send Sierra 3.
Sierra 3 has already been allocated.
What she means is your gin-soaked ass is surplus to requirements. But you wanted action, Sierra 2. Well, now you've got it. Yeah, okay. Ground support. I copy.
Sierra 2 Command. Priority is target acquisition and neutralization. Secondary is recon. Keep your comcam rolling.
I've detected the Korean Millnet. Access their tactical network and let's see what they've got cooking. With a bit of luck, we might be able to pick up more than just intel.
Maximum strength. Maximum speed. Maximum strength.
Urged the PRK government to end the crisis by accepting a U.S. proposal for withdrawal. Alex Stephanopoulos reports from Halong, capital of the Lingshan Islands.
Lovely.
We've got incoming feed. Take a look at this. O'Neill's camera stops transmitting after the missile strike, but we caught something with the last few images.
Got it, boss.
Maximum speed.
We got a lock on O'Neill's ELT yet?
The priority is the container. What's inside and where they're taking it could be revealed by those photographs. KPA radio traffic suggests they are mobilizing to investigate the pilot's jet. You must get to that camera before they do.
Energy critical.
Command, Sierra 2. Requesting pickup. Come in, Command.
Sierra 2 Command. Request acknowledged. Wait 1. Escalating this to carrier air group. Over.
Roger that.
O'Neill! You made it.
What do you mean I made it? Of course I fucking made it.
Sierra 2 Command, proceed to RP Tango Papa 70.
Negative, Command. This place is crawling with KPA. Send Big Mother.
Negative, Sierra 2. Your orders.
Damn it. I'm one man with a pistol against the entire KPA. Send a fucking pickup.
You have your orders, Sierra 2.
I'll be there soon, mate. Keep it together.
Psycho, the camera data should be located on the pilot's ejection seat. Get it before the KPA destroy it.
All the help I can get.
Let's get this rolling. KPA train approaching on the left tracks.
Nice one.
The Nomad's been ordered back to the Constitution. I'm going to request that he be reassigned to our container extraction.
There's no need to bring in Nomad. I can work the evac.
You're not part of Raptor Team.
So what? I'm here already. On the spot and willing.
Your VTOL isn't even equipped for lifting.
Well, I can go back to Get geared up.
But then we may as well bring in Nomad.
You know what? Fuck Nomad.
O'Neill, I'm going to make this crystal clear. Your past history gives me every reason to believe your presence is a risk to this mission and my men.
It's not about service records, Mom. O'Neill's here. He's up to speed on the mission and he can handle a cargo delivery.
Okay, Psycho. You've been right so far. I'll trust your judgment on this one. Make the call.
Look, Psycho, I'm bingo on fuel. I'll get the VTOL ready for the extraction. You know what to do. And no screw-ups this time.
You better believe it. Train slowing.
There's no scheduled stop on the system.
Something's up with the container.
Psycho, we've got unidentified units moving rapidly to your position. They're circling the container. What can you see?
Nothing yet.
Sorry, Psycho, but you've got another wave incoming.
Psycho, what's your status? Do you need support? We're waiting for you at the mine entrance.
No, mate. I'll be there soon, okay?